Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Alan from Football Coach Alan, and today I'm going to talk to you about my plans for this year 2019. So hello everyone, my name is Alan from Football Coach Alan. On this channel I normally show you football plays, drills, and skills, so if you're new, hit that like button and subscribe. But anyways, today I'm going to talk to you about my plans for 2019. Now, my plans for 2019 are a little bit different than my original plans for 2018. Basically, my plan is to post 3 times a week, as close to as I can get to 3 times a week. I'm going to try and make sure that I can hit 3 times a week. And basically, from there, we're going to be posting football plays, drills, and skills. And nothing really is changing, except I'm going to try and stay a little bit more consistent. Now, I do also post on football or Basketball Coach Alan, which is a basketball plays, drills, and skills channel as well. And I also post on the Armchair Athlete, where I do racing games and NBA 2K19. So the reason why I think I'm going to be able to consistently be able to post videos and not only a minimum of 1, why I think I'm going to be able to hit 3 is sometime in the first 6 months of this year, I am going to be going full-time on YouTube. Now, you're probably wondering, how is somebody who only has 274 subscribers on a football channel able to go full-time? Well, the reason is, well, there is affiliate links in this channel as well as on my Armchair Athlete channel, and those are through Amazon, but also, so make sure to go check those out. But also, I run the Basketball Coach Alan channel that has over 15,000 subscribers, and I actively run a social media company where I help companies with their social media advertising, as well as basketball training in the local area. So if you like that stuff and you're from the Hamilton area, well, check me out. Links are in the description below. Well, that's enough of tooting my own horn. I hope that you guys have a fantastic season coming up this year, and there's more videos coming very soon.